Morning, everybody. Thank you very much for joining this first webinar. It is organized by Mattia Santoro and Paolo Mazzetti from the CNR and myself from Grid Geneva and University of Geneva. So we plan to have this webinar for more or less 2 hours this morning. I just want to go to my next slide, sorry. Voilà, okay. So this webinar targets model developers, mainly work package 6. And the main objective is to demonstrate how to make your models run in the ECOPOTENTIAL virtual laboratory. And for that, we have decided to have 2 sessions. So the first one today is meant to explain and demonstrate how to proceed for that. Then you will have 1 week to test yourself everything that you have seen today, and then we meet again in 1 week for this second webinar. And during this second webinar, we ask you to give us your feedbacks, your experience, and issues that you had to face for porting the models into the virtual laboratory. And then also during the next seminar, we'll decide for the next steps how to move forward. And of course, we want these webinars to be as interactive as possible, so you can intervene whenever you want. And of course, we have planned some time for discussions. It will be mainly at the end of the session for today, and the same for next session. So formally, we will start with Richard Lucas, who will talk about his experience of porting the EO-DSM model into the virtual laboratory. It will then be followed by a demo from Mattia of what can be done when a model is ported into the VLab. And Mattia will also give an overview of the virtual laboratory. Then Ioannis will summarize the various modeling activities in ECOPOTENTIAL. After that, I will show you the online help that exists for this virtual laboratory. And Mattia will then finish the presentations with the requirements for porting a model into the virtual laboratory and show an example of how to proceed for porting a model into this laboratory. And we will finish with discussion, questions, and answers. And of course, you are welcome to intervene whenever you want during this webinar. So now I will give the floor to Richard. Richard, can you hear us?